Yo, what's going on, guys? Real Surf 4 here, gang. I'm bringing you some quick stick 3. Now, I don't quite know which video would. Well, I do know what's equal. Let's just do this. So, Look here, don't let him say something. Okay, going up. Get this guy. This fire guy. Wouldn't you love to have that power? Or this power? It's having a dream. I can let you free stuff. But I don't really get how to free stuff. Freaking MLG. Get freaking MLG, bro. Let's see. 1 second while I'm just trying to do stuff. I'm trying to see what happens when I go to a different game. Alright, so now I'm bringing you some CSR Racing 2. Now, like I said, this is the first video that's going to be recorded on my channel. Of course, my channel is The Real Surf 4. Now, if you guys want to just stick to one game or multiple games in the video, let me know. I'm open for ideas. See what I can upgrade. See what I can upgrade. What can I upgrade? Upgrade engine, turbo. Turbo gives him +6 power. I guess I'll go with the turbo. Back. Alright, I've been stuck. See what I'm doing. Aww. I didn't know there was this solo season. Oh, that sucks. But anyway, first let's do one of these regulation races. And it's still kind of a rookie. Because I forgot when I got this game. I didn't know it hasn't been super long since I've downloaded this. Going against a guy named Paul. Of course, my name is Surf 4, and my clan is Thug Life. I didn't make the clan though. Let's do this. Perfect start. Alright. To the shift. I almost missed it. I am leaving this clan. I had no reason to use up nitro. I won. By a giant margin. 7. Oh my goodness. Pretty sure if one of you guys played, you probably would have beat my facing. Whew. Yeah, that was kind of sad. Yeah. I don't know, so let's get racing. Let's do racing. I think I need to I think I need to do a ladder. So, let's do this. Afterwards. Alright, we go. Let's do this. Move this over here. Second gear. Third gear. Nitro. In the fourth gear. Can I get fifth gear? Nope, no fifth gear. Alright. Yeah, at least this one wasn't by a giant margin. Just couple milliseconds, actually. Moved up to rank 6. That's only 5 coins. As you could probably see in the beginning, I didn't have any coins. But what I kind of cares about is his age. He can't stand to look bad on and off the track. What's that supposed to mean? Okay, people, what is that supposed to mean? Oh, we can get an upgrade. Let's do that. All the upgrades we can get. Oh, wait, how much money do I have? Man, I ain't got enough money. I don't know what they was thinking. Oh, I can get upgrades for the body. Nope, I'm not gonna start saying that. No, yes, let's get it. No? Should I get it? I don't know. Do I want to get it? Even though it does lower the group, it's just by 5. At least the weight goes down. So I guess, yeah, let's do this. Let's go back. Now let's see if I can take down this New Fangs guy. This is a box of stuff. There we go. Oh, I almost beat him twice. Actually, no, I beat him when I was going home. This week, but I accidentally closed the game, and now I have to do it again. Don't care. Perfect start. Perfect shift. Perfect shift. No. Freaking stuff, man. Let's redo this. Crap. Yep, I know this. Like I said, I almost. Oh, so close. I didn't get a perfect start. But whatever. Yeah, I can't just end the video. The first gaming video on my channel with a loss. So, got some skills. So what? You gotta bring more than that to be good. Alright, well, I'm gonna go and beat somebody else real quick. I'll do that later. I'm gonna race somebody else. No, right? No. No. No, 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 no. Do the ladder. Get my money. First ever gaming video. Yeah. Pretty cool. Perfect start. Perfect shift. Another perfect shift. What's this? Perfect shift. Nothing disappears. I'm getting my time. Yeah, okay, one time. But